Happy New Year, Singapore! So it's a 6.5 hour flight, and the captain just announced to prepare for landing. Can you guess what I'm watching the whole flight?
사용자의 시가 돌아오면서 함께해 주시는 시민 여러분 감사합니다. 안녕히 가십시오.
Happy New Year, Incheon! Oh my gosh! When I saw this shop, sa Bisaya pa, nagpinkle-pinkle yun akong mata. This is a Korean red ginseng shop. So, you know na, nipalit jud ko, no? So, to save up for my baggage allowance, I purposely decided to buy here all my winter skincare essential, especially the lip mask and the sunscreen because it's designed for Asian. Happy New Year! I'm officially here in Incheon, and we're now getting ready for boarding, going to Toronto. And I guess this is our aircraft. So here's our first meal, a dinner, and I ordered a Merlot. It's a red wine because I really wanted to sleep. It's a 12-hour flight. Happy New Year! Already arrived in Pearson. So I already got my luggage, and I passed two immigration officers. Second immigration officer, it took us 2 hours because it's a pretty long queue. There are so many students arriving at this time because of the winter intake. Okay, so here I am. I hope I won't be picked. As they said, all passengers will have a mandatory RT-PCR for COVID-19. But fortunately, I got this at home specimen collection, and I'm exempted from the quarantine. So I already have my stamp. This is we have no friends or relatives here that would come to pick me up around Toronto area, so I decided to avail the airport transfer arranged by the school. It's a, I guess, 45-minute ride, so I hope I'll be safe then when I'll arrive in Hamilton. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Thank you so much for all the memories we've shared. 6 years is just, I really enjoyed my stay there in Tan Tock Seng, and I really hope all the best for the Flibo team. For 2022, more blessings, and I hope you'll be united, taking bloods there. And thank you so much for all the warm wishes that I received from my private message. I haven't replied yet because I was so caught up in all the travels. And here I am now. I arrived safely, and all the best, guys. Fighting! Aja, Singapore!